All right, we are here for the unboxing of the Tiger 3 by Phoenix Models. This is a 63-inch wingspan, low-wing sport airplane. It has a semi-symmetrical wing section on it, which should make it very easy to fly, and it should be extremely well. It's a mixture of balsa and plywood construction, and it says it's going to take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours to build, so this one should be a fun one. It's a 4-channel airplane, which means you can use 5 standard servo for this airplane, 2 on the aileron, 1 on the elevator, 1 on the rudder, and 1 for throttle. Or you could make this electric and delete 1 of the servos, so it should be pretty good. So like I said, this is the 63-inch Tiger 3, and it calls for a 46 to a 55 two-stroke engine, so that should be pretty good. So let's open it up and see what's in there. See what we got. Big old boxes are always fun. Open this up, push that to the side, and we'll set up and look inside what we got for this 1 to 2 hour build airplane. I'm not sure about that, but we'll see. So let's take a look. We've got the instruction manual, pretty thin, so that's always a good thing. Got the tail section in there. That looks pretty good. So that's pretty good. We've got the wings. So that should be pretty good. Servo tray. Looks pretty nice. Another wing. Monocoque looks pretty good. So that should be very good. And voila. There is the fuselage of the airplane. Now this comes extremely well packed. Lots of tape, so that's pretty good. And it's wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's always a nice thing. And then you can, there we go, having to pull it out. And there is the fuselage there. We'll go ahead and crack this puppy open and see what we can see. Let's see here. Alright, and then let's open this up. Alright. Lots of wrapping there, but it's well wrapped and it's protected in the box. No damage during shipping. So here we go. So this is the fuselage there. It looks really good. It says Phoenix Models on it right there. Looks like it's pretty good. Pretty simple installation there. It's very light. Got a little guy in there, so that's neat. Got a bay here with a hatch for the fuel tank, so that'll be nice to set up. Very easy access. And looks pretty good. We'll set it over here and dig in more. Looks like we've got the tail section here. That's wrapped up. So you just got to throw some CA on the hinges and we should be pretty good. And then you've got your packet here of parts. So that's good. You got your wing tube, wheels, struts, landing gear, and all your parts and everything like that for it. Should be pretty good. Looks like it could be a very easy build. It comes with a spinner that just fell out. Got a spinner there. And again, the wing tube, aluminum, seems to be pretty good. And we have the fuel tank. So we should be in good shape. I think everything's going to be fine. But again, this is the Tiger. 63-inch low wing airplane. Should be fun. They're saying it's going to take about 1 to 2 hours to put it together. I don't know if that's at an expert rate or what, but it should be fairly easy. So this one will be another fun one to build. And stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see this one get built and do the maiden on it, and we should be good. Thanks for watching.